In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the sprinkler method inside of Grow a Garden on Roblox. Now this method is insane and it's so OP, and it's the way that you can grow insanely large plants. Now I'm going to do this on an account which is very, very new. You can see this account's very new. I've got hardly any money and I've only got a few different items here. Now I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know, so follow along closely. If you find it helpful, please also subscribe, as that will help me out a lot. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go over to the seed shop, and we want to go ahead and purchase as many good seeds as possible. So really go ahead and pick and buy the best ones you possibly can. So you've got stuff like your avocado seeds here, which are currently in the shop, but you can wait for restocks as well. So if you want to go ahead and get something like the sugar apple or any of these other ones here, go ahead and just wait for the shop to restock. So I'm just going to go ahead and purchase one more avocado seed while it's in the store, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and just look at my garden here, because you see I've got a lot of room here. So you want to basically plant all of your plants together as close as possible so that we can maximize the amount of plants that we can grow big with this method. So cool. Now that we've gone ahead and purchased our plants, we need to go over to the gear shop over here. So the gear shop's the complete other end of the map, and for this one you're going to have to walk over there, as you can see here. So I'm going to walk over to the gear shop, and I'm going to be purchasing a few items from the gear shop to essentially do the sprinkler method. Now what you're going to notice inside the gear shop is that not all the sprinklers are going to be available the whole time. And what you need to do is you need to wait until there's restocks available. So the restocks happen every 15 minutes or so, I think. And what you're going to do is you're going to wait until all of the different sprinklers you need are available. So for this, we're going to need to get ourselves basic sprinklers. You can get up to 3 or 4. You want advanced sprinklers, godly sprinklers, and also master sprinklers. These are going to maximize the growth of your plants. And what you need to do, wait until the restock. You can see right now, there's no stock of it. And just basically wait till the restocks, and some of these will restock, and you can go ahead and you can purchase them when they do restock. Now, if you want to fast track this process, you can buy them with Robux. So I've gone ahead and purchased all of these here, just so I can show you for this video how effective this actually is. And so I've gone ahead and I've got myself a couple of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these here. So now that we've gone ahead and we've actually got them, we can go over to our garden and start doing the method. Now I'm just going to wait 14 seconds to see if anything is available in the restock, just so I can show you that they do restock and that you can purchase this with just in-game currency. So let's give it a second, go out, and it's restocked. So now I've gone back into the stand, show me the gear shop, and if I scroll down here, are any of them available? So nothing's available now. But if you keep waiting, then you will eventually get the restocks for them, and you can eventually get the items you need. So we're going to go over to the garden now, and the first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and plant all of our seeds. So make sure you plant them pretty close together. So I'm planting avocado here, avocado here. I'm going to go ahead and place my sugar apple seed right here. I'm going to go ahead and actually let me go ahead and buy some more seeds just so I can take advantage of this. So I'm going to sell these items here. I want to sell my inventory. Cool, I've got some money here. I'm just going to go buy a few more seeds here. Have we got anything cool that's restocked? We got watermelon. I'm going to buy that. Let's just buy some tomato seeds as well. There we go. So now that I've got these seeds, I'm going to go over and plant them in my garden. And the next bit is very, very simple. So let me just plant the tomato seeds here. And we're going to go ahead and do our watermelon seed here, and cool. So what we need to do now is we need to ensure that all of our best seeds are covered by the sprinklers. So I'm going to put this here just so it will cover these ones. So we put our basic sprinkler here. Next up, we're going to go ahead and put our advanced sprinkler here. Just going to try and make sure we cover every single plant we can. We're going to then go ahead and grab our godly sprinkler. I'm going to place this one over here just so we can get all the coverage. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and grab my master sprinkler, and this is going to be able to cover a lot of them. So I'm just going to put this in here like this, and boom, what you're going to notice is it's going to start growing the plants at an insanely fast rate. and you're going to see they're going to start growing super big. So we're going to now go ahead and we're going to leave the game. We're going to wait around 1 hour, and within about 1 hour's time, we've got a lot of gifts, this guy. Within about 1 hour's time, we're going to go ahead and see that these plants will grow absolutely huge. So you can see already we've gone ahead and we've got this apple that's growing huge, and I'm just going to go ahead and place this bee down here. This is going to give us a bit of an XP multiplier. He's got a honeybee. And so yeah, we're just going to wait, we're going to let them grow, and we're going to come back in about an hour, and we're going to see some of the biggest plants you can see. So you see this apple here is already huge. This is basically how you go ahead and do this method. It's really, really easy, and just need to maximize all the plants that you put here, and you're going to see some insane growth. You can see I'm growing the sugar apple, and the sugar apple is going to do very, very nicely. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you comment down below if you have any other questions too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.